Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Only a very quick update because we have the member live stream in 45 minutes. So we are on track here to putting in this fifth wave. I mean, it could be that we've got the fifth wave already. It's coming down in a way that I don't really like at the moment. If it is already in this fifth wave, then overall primary expectation achieved with the fifth wave, but it would be unnaturally short. Ideally, we wanted to reach at least 1280. Now, okay, we reached 1278. It would be a bit too short, but it has done what it needs to do because it has moved above the wave 3 high. Please consider that. And it's now very important to watch it and really take it level by level here. So market pushed higher. We continue to see a bearish divergence here. Yeah, even though we pushed a little bit higher than the previous one, but that's only the 1 hour chart. Let's see what the 4 hour is doing actually. Yeah, here we have a very clear bearish divergence now. I'd be a bit careful now because what we have evolving here now is, if I go back to the 1 hour, we have possibly something like an ascending wedge emerge here. So this is really something where we need to watch because it is a bearish pattern. So yeah, it can squiggle a bit higher, 1280. Now only with a breakout above the wedge we can put even a higher count in, yeah, and move even higher. This could still, you know, looking at this, if this becomes an ending diagonal in 5, then we have a slightly different count. Then I would have here a wave 1, a wave 2, a 3, a 4 down. Yeah, and then a 5 up. I now moved up my stop loss further into profit just below 1260 because I believe if it drops out of this wedge, it might be it. We'll see. We'll see. So at the moment, no evidence it has topped yet. It has not really pushed up high enough. I would like it to go a bit higher. As we said in the previous video, between 1280 and 1300 would be ideal. At the moment, it's coming down quite strongly, but if it is moving in a wedge pattern, we can get a little bit up and down towards the end of this trend. But as I said before, if we drop out of this wedge, it would be, let's say, a sign that we are reversing down. And especially if we are taking out the previous swing low here at 1260, 1261, if we then go down further and take out the previous low down here at 1238, that would be additional confirmation. And below 1230, which is this support area, if we drop below this as well, then I think we're heading down to 1,000 US dollars. At some point here, we will get exhausted. I'm pretty convinced. The question then is this the blue count, the ABC, or are we putting something more bullish in and only see a small retracement? If we don't even get to 1300 and break down from here, then we are pretty sure, pretty clearly in the blue count, which would take us down in first instance to $1,000. And there we have the next key decision point. But what I wanted to make you aware, yes, the fifth wave could be in, but I have no sign it's topped. I would have a sign it's topped if we break below 1258. Yeah, then I would have a good sign that it has topped. And if we break out of the wedge, it would be a very first indication. Unless that happens, I'm still expecting a little higher because it would just be the more ideal pattern to push a little higher. 1238, 1278 just was $2 short of the target, 1280. But again, we have done what we need to do. So it gets really, really interesting now. And we need to watch this very closely for a possible reversal down. If we now see 5 waves down and 3 waves up, that would be a confirmation for a further impulse following to the downside. And possibly later today after the member live stream, I can update you again. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.